How to create seller account on Temu. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your seller account on Temu. For that, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. And once you open it, now in the search bar type seller.temu.com. Once you enter it, now search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Temu's Seller Center. Also note that only if you are invited by Temu to be a seller, then you can sign up for it. Go ahead and tap on the sign up button here and you will be presented with this page. Here it says invited sellers only. The invited sellers can only sign up for the seller account. Now in this box, enter the phone number or the email address. And in the second box, create a strong and unique password with minimum 8 letters with a combination of letters, numbers and symbols. Also, it says do not use your email or email prefix in the password. Now after creating your password, enter the same password in the second box to confirm it. And once doing that, tap on this continue button right at the bottom to proceed further. After that, you will be asked to enter the seller details, including your business, and then you'll be able to create a seller account and start selling products in Temu. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.